In the garage, we've pulled everything out. There was previous damage when the homeowner installed the newer water heater that we just removed. They didn't put a pan or anything in, so we're gonna fix this, and it's also gonna be lined, and we'll put a pan in there. I disconnected the water softener and found that these pipes were super loose. I'm gonna secure these lines to this 2x4 so that way this is nice and sturdy. And then when we connect the water softener, it won't wiggle or break loose or cause any problems in the future. Drain from the TMP valve. We have the hot water side and the cold water side. And then the customer wanted a recirculating pump. And it's just one of the simple ones that has an analog timer. We have a flue. Flue's gonna go in, connect to the termination point, the exhaust. And then this will be complete. And we'll have to move on to the water softener. All right, so the drywall guy just left. And what we had before were these stub outs for the water softener were loose. They had clamps in there, but they weren't even screwed in all the way to the 2x4. So I took them out, cleaned them up, and then I soldered the clamps to the pipe and then secured the clamps to the 2x4. So now they're nice and sturdy. All right, got the water softener running, fully installed. So, there we go. Customer wanted a recirculating pump on top, have that. Drain line from the TMP valve, properly connected. Before, there wasn't a drip leg for the gas line, so we installed the gas line drip leg, and then ran a new gas line, new pan,